Psalm chapter 91 and verse 6. Nor for the pestilence that walketh in darkness, nor for the destruction that wasteth at noonday. God told us in the previous verses that we need not be afraid. And now He's listing here what we ought not be afraid of. The pestilence that walk in darkness, the destruction that lays waste at noonday. And we know that pestilence points us to death. So too does destruction that lays waste at noonday, because noonday is the sun at its highest point, and the sun at its highest point is comparative language to the enemy at the peak of his power, and his power is death. And this is why the book of Amos says, and it shall come to pass in that day, saith the Lord, I will cause the sun to go down at noon. And this is why he also said in Psalm 37:6, and he shall bring forth thy righteousness as the light, and thy judgment as the noonday. Because when the enemy is at the peak of his power, death, that is the very point at which we would see the judgment and deliverance of God. And we come now, Christ on the cross, and we see the Bible records that there was darkness over the whole earth in the 6th hour. 12 noon, because Christ brought the judgment of God unto salvation, which brought an end the power of the enemy.